Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Toyota FJ Cruiser, and as you can see, this is a Hotwheels premium casting and it's from Fast and Furious series of casting. Uh, FJ Cruiser is a very different vehicle, and I would say it was ahead of its time. Now more and more retro styled SUVs are coming to the market, and this one was way earlier than like a retro SUV. So, well, let's open it up and see how does it look. And while I open it up, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. So this particular casting isn't a standard FJ Cruiser, obviously because it was featured in the Fast and Furious movies, so it is slightly modified. And I'm gonna look into it, see what is there. So the first thing you will notice is this matte paint job. So it's matte black kind of paint job which you don't see from the factory. The wheels, they also look aftermarket, slightly bigger than what we're offered. There's a roof rack on the side. You got the fuel filler door. You got the flared wheel arches. It looks like aftermarket wheel arches fitted. You got the mirror on this side. So it had the two doors, so this opens up and then you have the handle to open it on the other side. So that's there. That's more of a standard thing. Coming to the front, again nicely detailed. You've got detailed headlamp, detailed turn indicators, detailed grille, Toyota badge on it. Bumper again looks modified or aftermarket with skid plates underneath it. Coming to the passenger side, it looks almost identical, the only difference being the fuel filler cap. Now let's move to the rear. Again nicely detailed. You've got the detailed tail lamp, you've got brake lights down there, full size spare wheel, and this is also rubber or it's plastic. It looks like it's plastic, not rubber like the other wheels, but tries to mimic the design. So yeah, even the detail on the tail lamp are really good. See closely. Hotwheels doesn't normally do black windows and windscreen, but this one has a black one, so I can't really see the interior inside. I'm not sure if there is one, but yeah, so this is how it looks, and I think it's a nice looking casting. Most of the FJ Cruiser casting you'll get is like those red yellow kind of paint. This one looks really good. You're gonna like the roof carrier on the roof. So overall, I would say it's a really nice casting, and it's a good set compared to when you had the Fast and Furious Land Cruiser, the red one, the chrome wheels. I think it will make a good set with that one. I'll try to click some pictures of these two together. But yeah, if you see one, go grab it. It's a nice casting. Well, those are my thoughts. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.